Hi, this is a demonstration of the Eurostart BRS5 installed in this very brand new 2024 Mini Countryman JCW. With this remote starter, you have three options for remote starting the vehicle. You can use a smartphone, so you can start your vehicle from anywhere. You could use long-range two-way remote controls, or you could use the factory key fob, which I'll demonstrate now. To start the vehicle, simply press the lock button 3 times. And on the last press and hold it for 2 seconds. The park lights will confirm. There it is, it's now running. The remote starter will run for 15 minutes. Or you could adjust the runtime using the optional steering wheel control settings. With this remote starter, I'll also activate the driver's and passenger's heated seats if the interior temperature is below 10 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and the seats will activate at your desired temperature level settings. If you'd like to turn the vehicle off, you can simply just press the unlock button and then the lock button again. To find a dealer near you, please see the Eurostart website, Eurostart.com, and click on the dealer locator link. Thanks for watching.